Welcome guys to the YouTube channel of Lighting Dreams. Today we are going to discuss Gaganyaan mission. So recently the Union Minister of Science and Technology informed that the human space flight module of Gaganyaan will be launched after the second unmanned mission planned in 2022-2023. It was envisaged that the 10,000 crore Gaganyaan mission aims to send a 3-member crew to space for 5 to 7 days by 2022 when India completes 75 years of independence. First unnamed mission is planned in December 2021. However, it has been delayed due to the COVID-19 induced lockdown. Let's see what is Gaganyaan. Gaganyaan is a mission by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO to send a 3-member crew to space for a period of 5 to 7 days by 2022. The space mission was first announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2018 in his Independence Day address to the nation. Ahead of the manned mission, ISRO plans to send 2 unmanned missions to space as part of the Gaganyaan mission. The first unmanned mission was scheduled to be sent in December 2020 and the second mission was scheduled for June 2021. However, the first unmanned mission has been delayed because of the disruption in the ISRO's work and operation on account of the coronavirus pandemic. The Gaganyaan spacecraft will be placed in a low Earth orbit of 300 to 400 km. The total program cost is expected to be under 10,000 crore. Gaganyaan is significant because it is the first indigenous mission that will send Indian astronauts to space. If it succeeds, India will be the 4th country to have sent a human to space, the other 3 being the US, Russia and China. The success of Gaganyaan can lead to many more experiments with space flight mission. It will also give a flip to India's dream of setting up its own space station. Let's see the Gaganyaan spacecraft and the launch vehicle. The spacecraft consists of a service module and a crew module, collectively known as the orbital module. The launch vehicle used for this mission will be the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle GSLV Mk3. GSLV Mk3 has the required payload capacity for the mission. Gaganyaan human space flight. So, the human space flight is expected to take about 16 minutes to reach the intended low Earth orbit. The 3 astronauts will leave for space in the crew module, which would have a 3.7 meter diameter and a height of 7 meter. The astronauts' orange space suits were created by the Vikram Bhai Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram. The suit can hold 1 oxygen cylinder, which will permit the astronauts to breathe in space for an hour. The manned mission will rotate around the Earth every 90 minutes. The astronauts will be able to see sunrise and sunset, see India from space every 24 hours, and will also perform experiment on microgravity. The spacecraft will take about 36 hours for the return journey and will land in the Arabian Sea of the Gujarat coast. Now let's see the training for the astronauts. ISRO has signed a contract with a subsidiary of the Russian space agency Roscosmos called Gazkosmos for preparing the Indian astronauts selected for the mission. The 4 selected astronauts are undergoing medical and physical training apart from learning the Russian language, which is considered one of the important languages of space communication. Changing gravity can cause fluctuation in the blood pressure, particularly during re-entry to Earth or landing, and can even cause unconsciousness sometimes. Astronauts may also face motion sickness while experiencing weightlessness in space. All the candidates astronauts are pilots from the Indian Air Force. They were shortlisted from about 25 pilots by the Indian Air Force. These are all the relevant information related to the Gaganyaan mission.